Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Isabel and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I have a very quick unboxing that I want to share with you. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm going on a last minute business trip, so I'm going to be leaving for the airport in the next hour and a half, I think. I have to check to pick up a flight. So I wanted to share with you what I picked up Friday evening from Louis Vuitton. And I want to share it with you now because I will be gone for a full week. And in case you're interested in getting these items, I want you to be able to have the item numbers and get your hands on them. So that's why I'm going to do this very, very quick unboxing. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first three items I'm going to share with you, I pre-ordered. So I had asked my SA to get them for me. Here's my proof of purchase. And all of these come from the Louis Vuitton store in Aventura. So let's see. Let's go ahead and get started with the very first one. Comes in a drawer box. In its dust bag. And this is from the men's collection. Okay, so this is the, I call it the portfolio, and it is the Monogram Eclipse split. So it has the silver gray on one side and the dark black with the light gray on the other side. And I apologize for the lighting. It is terrible, but this is not the best time for me to film, but this is the only way that I can get this out to you. So that's the back. And then it opens up like this. And so it has 3 credit card slots at the top. There's also a slot right here where you can put another credit card. Let me just take this out. This is just the card, the textile card. It has it's got a slot right here where you can put more cards or anything you want, bills. It's got another one on the other side, and then it also has a slit here and a slit here. It also has on the back another slit right here where you could also put something there. So that's what this is. This again is from the men's collection. I did not purchase this for myself, even though I think it's really, really adorable and very, very cute. And I actually would love to take it on this trip. But anyway, I really purchased it for my husband, who does not like luxury items, but he does like very small wallets. He doesn't really wear a wallet. He wears more little things like this. So I'm going to try and see if he will like it and keep it. I've tried before. He's never wanted to. He doesn't understand the addiction. He doesn't understand, he doesn't get it. But anyway, I thought this was really, really beautiful. So I snatched it up. It is small. And I'm going to go ahead and give it to him, and hopefully he likes it. If he doesn't like it, then we'll see what we do. But here is the item information in case you're interested in it. And it's right here. And yep. Oh, sorry. And this one's made in France. I apologize. This is going to be just a quick video. Okay, so that's the first item. Just move on to the next one. Anyhow, I hope everybody's having a good day and not rushing like I am. Second item is in this other little drawer box. And this is something that I pre-ordered. Again, this is from the men's collection. However, I did get this for myself. And these are the luggage tag set. And there was 2 different sets with different cities. I picked this one, which has Honolulu in the yellow. And I picked this one, which says Louis Vuitton Maletier. This is the back. And last but not least, I picked, or this actually came with the set, the Tokyo in red, and the back in the monogram. So yeah, so these, it's a set of 3, and you can use them individually. So you can attach them to your bag or your suitcase or your carry-on individually like this, or you can go ahead and just attach all of them together. So I thought these were really, really cool and interesting. And again, I've been delving into the men's collection. They have some really, really nice pieces. So I think that they're unisex. So I picked this setup, and I would not put it on my suitcase that you have to check in, obviously, because they're gonna disappear. But I would definitely wear this on my carry-on, my personal item, and my bags. So this is the other set that I picked up. And let me see if there's any item information on here so I can share it with you. And yes, here it is. Okay, we've got, of course, the textile card. And here is the item information in case you are interested in this. And I think that these are pretty limited, so you do need to go ahead and kind of jump on them. Again, this is the Honolulu one. And the back has all of these great cities, a stamp with all of these cities on there. Again, here's the Tokyo one. And the back has the Eclipse, the monogram Eclipse. Hope you can see with the bad lighting. And then last but not least, this one has the monogram with the airplane Louis Vuitton Maletier. So that is the second item that I picked up. And I'm gonna debate which one or how I'm gonna take these. I will definitely show it on Instagram. I'm sorry I won't be able to show it on YouTube right now because I find that I can't upload anything when I'm traveling. All right, and then I have this, and actually this one I pre-ordered and comes in this dust bag right here. And if you follow me, you see it's very flimsy. You may have an idea of what it is. And it is this beautiful bandeau. And it is hot pink and red. Has Louis Vuitton at the bottom. This is all light pink. All of the accent is like light pink and fuchsia with a reddish pink background. And on the other side, it is all light pink with the reddish pink LV and the LV symbols. This one did not come with a tag. But hang on, I'm gonna get you. Pardon me, I'm even using my husband's reading glasses. That's how crazy it is. It is M70716. So, and it is called, it says, it is the Monokinawa Fuschia. Okay. Let's see if hopefully you can get a good, it's got beautiful flowers. It's got beautiful flower prints on there. And the back, which is just So, all right, so those were the 3 items that I pre-ordered. And now I want to show you what I picked up, which I did not pre-order and really had no business picking up, but when I saw it, I thought I have to have it. So this is the last item. This was not planned and this was not pre-ordered. Let me give you a little bit of background before I open it up. If you follow my channel, you know that I have a Chanel Walk, which I purchased pretty much for business travel because it's small, compact, not very flashy, but fits the majority of the essentials, and I can still take a laptop bag, etc., etc. Unfortunately, when I went to go ahead and do my 2017 favorites video, I realized that one of the little clasps where the leather is intertwined in the chain was a little open. So I didn't really want to mess with it on my own, and I went ahead and sent it back for repair. So I didn't return it, they're just repairing it. But I took a long time to send it to them. I actually just shipped it to them last week, so I don't have it. So I was thinking, what am I going to take as a bag that is not a huge thing? Anyhow, walked into LV to pick up my pre-ordered items, went to the men's section because now I really like to go to the men's sections because I love their bag charms and I love some of the things that they're putting out. And I saw this and I ended up picking it up. So let me just share it with you. They are still using the beautiful Christmas ribbon, which is very nice. Comes in this nice big slim box. And inside we have this. Let's see. Comes in this dust bag. To reveal this beauty right here. This is in the black Taiga leather, and I may be mispronouncing it. It says Louis Vuitton at the top. It's got a gorgeous silver lock right here, and it's not a real lock, it's just an ornament. And it's got a little clip right here. Open it up, and the inside is all a fabric. It's fabric lined. It's all black. I don't know that you're going to be able to see much. And it does have one slip pocket. It has one slip pocket right here. Well, just get everything out. One slip pocket right here, and the rest is just a big opening. Very, very soft leather, as you can see. And let me just show you, and of course it comes with the tag, and I'm going to give you the information. Now, this is called the Apollo GM Taiga. Maybe it's called the Pochette Apollo GM. The item number is M30086. It's right there, M30086. And this is what I want to show you. It's gorgeous. So it's just all leather, all black leather, very, very soft, very, very squishy. The zipper pull is where the little lock is. Very nice zipper, just like all of Louis Vuitton zippers. And other than that, it's just a black hole. However, two things. First of all, and I will try and get some pictures, I guess from the airport. I don't know if I'll have time here. Look, as a clutch, it's very, very pretty, and disregard that. I can do another video on that. That's just what happens to my skin now when you're 50 something. So it's a really, really, really nice clutch. Nice size clutch, actually. Okay. And the other thing that I thought when I looked at it is, I have the Rose Ballerine Felici that came with the silver chain. And this is my thought process. What I'm going to try, and I will let you know how well or how not well it works, is I'm going to attach the chain here, and then I'm going to attach the chain to the lock right there. And if I need to, I'll certainly be able to wear it crossbody. You can't see it. I will try and get a picture of this. Let me see. I'm just too short. Okay, so I will, you can wear it crossbody. Certainly you can wear it on the shoulder. And you can just carry it if you want. But I thought this could be helpful if you need to have your hands free. So that's my idea. The other thing that I'm going to do is I am going to take this adorable bag charm. I'm going to put it on there. So that's it. Those are the items that I wanted to share with you before I leave today. I think this is so, so pretty. They also had this in the regular monogram version, so all monogram. And I believe maybe the top here may have been leather. I don't remember, and honestly, I was running, so I did not take a picture. But I felt that this is all leather. It's understated, and I thought this would be nice. Now it does say, it says Louis Vuitton right there. You can barely see it, which is another thing that I do like about traveling with this. Of course, you can see it there, but you're not going to be walking around with this like this. You're going to have it like this. So, and I don't even know where this was made. Okay, so here it is, made in France. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. So yeah, this is what I picked up. I will let you know how it works out. Hopefully it works out the way I'm thinking. If not, then I'll just have to figure out what I do with it. But anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This is just a short video just to let you know, in case you're interested. I wanted you to go ahead and get out there and call your SA or call the customer service hotline. I'll go ahead and, as I always do when I'm traveling, I'll go ahead and put some pictures up on Instagram, the different places that I'm going to be. And that's it. So take care of yourselves and see you soon. Bye.